Welcome to the best picks. The best refurbished camera is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to get your hands on a top-tier camera without breaking the bank. These cameras have been previously owned, inspected, and restored to full working order, offering a fantastic blend of quality and value. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of refurbished cameras, exploring what they are, what to look for, and why they might be the perfect choice for your photography needs. Number 5. Sony CyberShot DSC H320.1MP digital camera. This camera boasts a 20.1MP sensor, ensuring your photos are rich in detail. It allows for beautiful enlargements and crisp, blur-free HD video. Get closer to the action with the 35x optical zoom. It's ideal for capturing distant subjects without moving. The high pixel count allows you to enlarge, zoom, and crop your photos without losing any detail. This ensures your images remain sharp and clear. Capture the entire scene with the sweep panorama feature. It's easy to use and creates stunning panoramic shots. Optical steady shot reduces blur, even in low light conditions. This feature helps you capture clear and steady shots every time. What we like. This camera boasts a high-resolution sensor, ensuring detailed photos. Its impressive 35x zoom lets you capture distant subjects with ease. If you're looking for a versatile camera for travel or capturing family moments, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want both quality and convenience. What people say. Once I did have the camera in order, with the settings I wanted, and, by the way, you have many options when it comes to settings, I easily took a few quick shots, which came out stunning and clear. I also liked how far I could zoom in and still have the photos turn out beautiful. It takes excellent pictures in 1M to 15M and maybe a little farther. It does have excellent light balance and manual light balance control. Number 4. GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition Action Camcorder. This action camcorder lets you record stunning 2.7K videos. It's perfect for capturing all your adventures, ensuring you never miss a moment. The built-in touch display makes framing shots and adjusting settings a breeze. You can also easily play back your videos and photos right on the device. A new dedicated button gives you quick access to camera settings. The simplified menus make navigating the settings easier than ever before. It captures high-quality 12MP photos at speeds of up to 30 frames per second. This ensures you get the perfect shot, every time. Enjoy enhanced connectivity with the GoPro app and smart remote. This allows you to easily share your content and control the camera remotely. ProTune offers cinema-quality capture and manual control. You can adjust color, ISO limit, and exposure for professional-looking results. With customizable exposure settings up to 30 seconds, it's easy to capture stunning night photos and time-lapse. This feature opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. What we like. This action camcorder features a built-in touch display for easy framing and settings adjustments. It captures high-quality photos at fast speeds. If you're an adventurer or someone who loves to document their active lifestyle, this camera's wide-angle lens will capture all the action. It's ideal for those seeking immersive footage. What people say. Videos and photos were tack sharp and it functioned like it was never involved in a quadcopter crash. Small, nice screen, easy to switch between video photo mode and easy to review photos and video taken. The touchscreen works well as a viewfinder. Plus there's the option to play back videos, complete with sound, right on the camera. And the most useful thing about the touchscreen is how much easier it makes changing camera settings. Number 3. Canon EOS 2000D, Rebel T7, DSLR Camera Kit. Introducing the Canon EOS 2000D, a fantastic DSLR camera. It's perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. This camera boasts a 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor. This allows it to capture incredibly detailed images with excellent clarity. The 3.0920K LCD monitor makes it easy to review your shots. You can also use it to navigate the camera's settings. Featuring the Digic 4 Plus image processor, this camera delivers fast performance. It ensures your images are processed quickly and efficiently. Record full HD 1080-30p videos with ease. It's a great way to capture memories in high definition. What we like. This DSLR offers a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor for detailed images. It also provides full HD video recording capabilities. If you're looking to step up your photography game with a camera that offers excellent image quality and video, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to explore more creative control. What people say. This camera is inexpensive, rugged, pretty good quality. Great quality color, and the ability to download direct to my phone, allows me for those moments when I can take a shot, download it, and send it to someone in just minutes. It takes great pictures, including when it is attached to my telescope for astrophotography. Number 2. Nikon Coolpix P530, renewed. Introducing the Nikon Coolpix P530, a certified refurbished camera. It comes with all original accessories and a 90-day warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. With full manual exposure control, you can take control of your photography. This allows you to adjust settings and bring your creative vision to life. Capture dazzling movies with full HD 1080p video recording. It also features stereo sound, making your videos more immersive. The high-performance CMOS image sensor allows you to shoot in various conditions. It performs well even without a flash. This camera is a certified refurbished product, showing limited to no wear. It's a great choice for capturing memories. What we like. This camera gives you full manual exposure control, allowing you to bring your creative vision to life. It also records full HD 1080p videos with stereo sound. If you enjoy having complete control over your shots and want to create stunning movies, this camera is for you. It's perfect for those who want to explore their creativity. What people say. The camera arrived in excellent condition. The camera works perfectly. The camera looks brand new. Number 1. Sony Alpha ZV E10 APS-C Mirrorless Vlog Camera Kit. Introducing the Sony Alpha ZV E10, a renewed APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera kit. This camera is designed for content creators and vloggers. It offers great features in a compact body. It features a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor and a fast Bions X processor. This combination allows it to capture stunning photos and videos. The sensor ensures excellent image quality. Record 4K movies oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, and no pixel binning. This means the footage will be incredibly detailed and sharp. It's perfect for professional-looking videos. The product showcase setting seamlessly transitions focus from your face to an object. This is ideal for product reviews and demonstrations. It makes the process very easy. Easily toggle between background defocus effects with the dedicated button. This allows you to create a cinematic look instantly. It gives you more creative control. Stream live with a single USB cable, without needing extra hardware or software. This makes it simple to connect and start streaming. It's a convenient feature for live content. What we like. This camera offers stunning 4K video recording capabilities. It also features a product showcase setting for easy transitions. If you're a vlogger or content creator looking for a camera that simplifies your workflow, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want to create professional-looking videos with ease. What people say. It supports high-quality 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, ensuring your videos are crisp and vibrant. The camera's real-time IAF and real-time tracking features make it easy to keep your subjects in focus, even during fast-paced action or when moving around the frame. The vari-angle LCD screen can be flipped out and rotated, allowing you to see yourself while recording, ensuring you always frame your shots perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.